Today I'm going to teach you how to turn on high fidelity music mode in Microsoft Teams. This feature is particularly useful if you're a musician, podcaster, or anyone who needs to share high quality audio during meetings, as it preserves the full range and clarity of your sound instead of optimizing it for voice only. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams and navigating to the left side menu where you'll see several options. Click on Meet. This section is where you can view your scheduled meetings and join active ones. Once you're in the Meet section, you'll see a list of available meetings. Go ahead and join any meeting by clicking Join next to the meeting you want to enter. After clicking Join, you'll be taken to a preview screen where you can adjust your camera and audio settings before entering. Here, you'll see a button that says Join Now. Click on Join Now to enter the meeting. This step brings you into the actual meeting space where all the audio controls become accessible. Now that you're in the meeting, look at the top of your screen where the main control bar is located. You should see a microphone icon, which is your primary audio control. Right next to the microphone icon, there's a small arrow pointing down. Click on this arrow. This opens a drop-down menu with additional audio options and settings that aren't immediately visible in the main interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on More Audio Settings. This option takes you deeper into the audio configuration panel where you can fine-tune how Teams handles your microphone input. It's in this section where the more advanced features live, including the one we're looking for. In the Audio Settings panel, scroll down until you find a section labeled Advanced Settings. This is where Microsoft Teams houses its more technical audio features. Within Advanced Settings, you'll see an option called High Fidelity Music Mode. This is the feature that tells Teams to prioritize audio quality over bandwidth efficiency, which is perfect for sharing music or any high-quality audio content. To enable it, simply click the toggle button next to High Fidelity Music Mode. Once you toggle it on, Teams will immediately start processing your audio differently, capturing a wider frequency range and preserving more audio detail. This ensures that whether you're playing an instrument, singing, or sharing music through your microphone, your audience hears it with much better clarity and richness. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled high-fidelity music mode in Microsoft Teams, giving you professional-level audio quality for your meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.